Hello everyone! Today our meeting is about effective ways to make tweets go viral. We will analyze the most important factors step by step using examples. What is needed for this in the first place? For a tweet to go viral, it needs great content, and for a tweet to be shareable, it needs to incite emotion. Simply put, the tweet has to be good for it to grow, but this is not enough. Did your tweets have good content? I think so. I believe that it is not enough for a content to be good for it to go viral. It is necessary that it evokes emotion. Think about a tweet that actually made you laugh or condemnation. Those are the things you want to share. Let's watch this tweet. The internet loves animals, particularly dogs. So when someone asks for retweets so they can be allowed to get one, people came out in full support. Here Twitter user Ryan Salesman shared a screenshot of conversation where he was told he could get a dog if he got 1 million retweets. And here we are. To understand the interests of the target audience, you can use special tools. For example, Popsters. You can use it to analyze tweets of any profiles. And I'm already logged in with my Twitter account. So if you want to log in, you just have to click on an icon with Twitter and then enter your login and password, which you usually use while entering Twitter. For example, I have uploaded Richard Branson profile. What we see first is feed. And as we are searching for the most popular posts, we have the ability to use different sortings and filters. So you can range the post by the amount of likes, comments, engagement rate, text. You just have to press the button once or twice. In the left menu of the tool, you can use analytical metrics in graphical form, with the ability to apply filters as in a feed. Thanks to them, you can understand how to significantly increase the reach and engagement by knowing what and when to publish, what text to use, etc. Next important factor. Strong initial traction signals to Twitter's algorithm that your tweet is worth putting at the top of people's feed. Even if you have good content, you need strong initial traction to have your tweet is shown to more than a part of your followers. The way Twitter's home feed ranking algorithm works is like this. They initially put your post in front of small sample of your followers. If your tweet performs well in this sample, then it gets put higher on the feed for the rest of your followers. If the tweet performs very well with all of your followers, it will appear in their followers' feed. And if the tweet keeps performing well amongst these groups, then it will continue to be spread further and further. So in order for a tweet to go viral, it must first perform well with a small sample of your followers. Let's see. In the aftermath of the 2017 floods in Houston, massive efforts were made to raise money from around the world as Texas dealt with the disaster. The Twitter account for the Pennsylvania State University Interfraternity Council also got involved, posting the below tweet saying that they would donate for every retweet it received. The council ended up donation for 10,000. Next factor. The importance of retweets. Retweets are key to expanding the reach of your tweet. More retweets leads to more and more people seeing it. What really makes tweet grow are retweets. Likes are nice, but retweets get the content in front of more or different people. A scenario without retweets would result in significantly less reach of any tweet. However, with retweets, audience is nearly infinite. Another example of how you can usefully direct the attention of your audience. Marcus Rochford's powerfully open letter to the government about free school meals. This excited many Twitter users. Next, post targeted for everyone. Don't cater your post just for your own followers. Make sure that people you don't know will still find your tweet interesting. Once you started getting second-level retweets, your tweet started to grow exponentially. The reason for this is because the tweet no longer was just for your niche group of followers. It means that your tweets also had mass appeal. People outside of your network could relate and could find the content shareable. Here the main success of this publication is due to its special look and sense of humor. And of course, a successful hit is the target audience and publication time, as well as a large number of initial retweets. Next factor. Let it blossom. If the tweet starts to get second-level retweets, then you are golden. And now all you have to do is sit back and watch it grow. But you can also increase your reach even further. You could consider trying to pull additional growth levels. For instance, you can take relevant public figures, reply to your mentions, or use Twitter ads. Here is an extraordinary approach of using your craft and creating a viral tweet. It's cool. And here is a mystery. What do you think is the success of this tweet? Why did it go viral? Write in the comments below the video. I hope you found this video useful and you will be able to create your own viral tweets. You can find a link to the mentioned tool in the description of this video and analyze any profiles you are interested in yourself. If you enjoyed this video, put your thumbs up or share it with friends. And if you have any questions, write them in the comments, I will gladly answer all of them.